Used to be king.
He is king.
Yes, it is likely the Danes will have quite a numbers. But this is a battle that we can win.
But if you are winning against Brida.
We seem to send my subjects into a slaughter. Do you wish to become a puppet Lothar through it? I'm not my father. He hid in fear for his life and of failure. You'll find the words and you will write letters to each and every alderman in Thane for Essex. And they will answer you all.
They came for Alfred.
Then I will do it. With your help.
I'm glad that you are listening to them.
Find the word. This is a battle I will not watch. I need to fight until I can find out more.
Don't you dare die during this episode, Beruka. I will not allow that. Right now, Alfred and Tira, not you.
If you are questioning my loyalty, do not. I'm Wessex. And you'll be there in battle. I will. Wessex will need the ninth count. You are one day Saxon, the very next day Dane.
And you are always poisoned.
This is for Ragnar. The brother deserved a warrior's death. I'm sorry you will not see him in Valhalla. You were right, Fredwood. Thanks, Sigebert. I will be there and I will be praying for a great victory.
I'm sorry, how dare you talk about Ragnar?
Fight and keep on fighting until the victory is ours!
I'm not sure that they're gonna come to help you. I believe in Edward and Uhtred, but I don't believe in the loyalty of...
Lord Benefit has requested in the letter, but then will march on to attack the Danes and the Wilkins.
You will?
Must kill the man who killed Ragnar with a blade marked with Ragnar's blood. Who was this man who was killed? I do not know.
When are you gonna know? I'm sorry, I...
You're not supposed to kill him.
Nah.
You're not find us living.
Like you found Ragnar?
My plan is that he will arrive to attack the Saxons from the rear once battle has begun.
We'll find Uhtred and give him the message.
Thank you, Brida. The nephew was there. They're gonna know that. And they're gonna know that the nephew killed Ragnar. Can you kill him during this episode?
May well be the place to become king, Lord. The great king, like your father,
Tell them.
She says Ethelwald. Good. She says do not fail.
Kill him during the battle.
I ask you not to fight for Alfred, for yourselves and your forefathers. They are buried in the soil of Wessex. It is for them we are fighting!
You're speaking well, Edward. That's great, kid. I'm proud of him. Ah, that's a warning. Tack! Well done, well done, well done. I don't have a lot of help. Yes, I'm fled. I don't know why I did. That's a queen. He's gonna choose his side depending on who is winning right now. So we don't know you, so I don't know what can be your decision. I think that you're an opportunist. That's it! Don't kill him, don't kill him! We need Uhtred to kill him. Come on, you can win. Now I have faith. Finan, be careful. I can't say that I'm sad. Thank you, boy, for what you did, but you were like that. Finan, be careful, really. I'm not... Tread Kill Ethelwald now. No. Brida, you saw it also. Stop him. Ethelwald is alive. Yes, please. No. They have faith for their kingdom, for protecting their loved ones. You were fun during the first seasons, but you were a bastard during the last ones, and you killed Ragnar during his sleep. Now is the time for you to die. I know, you suffered, you were not the king. Everyone was not believing into you, were thinking that you were a joke and all of that. I know that you did not have a good life and all of that, but I don't care. No.
I won't have to fight you. To Ireland even. You killed Ragnar. No. I'm guilty of nothing more than wanting what is rightly mine.
That's for sure.
Our kingdom's
But you are without honor.
Yes. Or he would have killed me.
At least at the end, you're saying the truth.
I'm not worth it.
And you can die with honor
Never
now.
see me again. I won't go anywhere. Please.
He can't do that for Ragnar to go to Valhalla. He can't do that.
Please.
I'm crying for everyone right now.
Zeus fell. Yes, you will never see this face again. You will go to hell.
And Ragnar to Valhalla. Brida.
He's crossing to Valhalla. He's free.
And you're not in the battle anymore, Brida, so they're not gonna kill you.
Edward gained a great victory over the Danes, ensuring he would become King of Wessex. He must understand the minds of both his enemies and his friends.
Can't believe that Dick is still alive. Oh.
He cannot be his father. He can only be himself. My name is Uhtred, son of Uhtred. My name is Uhtred Ragnarsson. Destiny is all.
No, let's go to Bebenberg this time. Boo, 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 boo. I was really not expecting to have the battle with the Danes during this episode. We had so many things to deal with during this episode, you know. I had the impression that it was too much to have also the battle with the Danes, but of course they were gonna try to take advantage of the situation, you know, of Alfred just dead and the other ones not being organized to attack. Ethelwald is dead. At the end, and I said it, I was thinking about what he was thinking himself, the fact that he was not the king, he was supposed to be the king, and Alfred for him stole the throne. In his mind it was like that, and he tried to work with Alfred, but they were always not considering him, you know, treating him as a joke, and he tried to take the throne, he tried to make alliances with the wrong people, you know, with Danes, with all of that, and he failed. I'm not sad for him, but for what he could have been, you know. But Uhtred, you know, at some point during the end of the first season and the second season also, he appreciated him, Ethelwald. He was his friend, he was laughing with him. To have Uhtred killing him, that was hard for Uhtred also. But it had to be done. I was sure of it. For Ragnar to go to Valhalla, Uhtred would have never spared him. never. And they won the battle against the Danes thanks to Ethelflaed, who commanded the Mercians, because Dick, you don't have any authority on your army. Your queen, the Queen of Mercia, is having the authority on her army, and she went to help, and also because the Count went and fought for Wessex. I don't know about that guy, you know, why he made that decision. We won't know why because now he's dead, but I think that he was a kind of person who can be an opportunist, you know, who can choose a side because this side is winning. And during that moment, Wessex was winning, you know, the Saxons were winning, so he chose Wessex. Or maybe he was really thinking about Wessex. But why all of these discussions with Ethelwald? Why all of that? Not sure of it. But he's dead, so I prefer to not speak bad about the dead, especially when I don't know really what they were thinking. The Danes, they are all dead. Not Brida. I was so glad to see her, you know, near to Uhtred like that at the end, because Uhtred right there with Ethelwald, killing Ethelwald, I was still thinking about the battle happening and all of the Saxons killing all of the Danes, and Brida is with the Danes normally, so I was like, Brida is still right there, is still into the battlefield, she's gonna be killed, if Uhtred is not there to protect her, they're gonna kill her. So I'm glad that she was not there, but what can she do now? Now that they killed all of the Danes' army? I mean, not all of the Danes, but that army, you know, these men. So her men also, because her men were right there. Maybe not all of them, maybe some of them escaped, but still, you know, what can she do now, Brida? I really don't know, but at least she's alive. I'm happy with that situation, with that. And Edward is gonna be the king. He spoke well during this episode. I mean, with Uhtred, you know, by saying all of that to Uhtred, and also with his army, by leading them, he spoke well. He can be a good king. Because he's listening to the good advisor, you know, he didn't listen to his mother blindly. He made his own choices, and I love that. I can love him really quick, Edward, because I loved Alfred so much, and because Edward is respecting Alfred's legacy. So I can really love and be protective with Edward real quick. If it's not already the case, you know. We'll see. Ooh, that moment, you know, with Uhtred saying that Alfred was his king, just to think about it again, I can cry. He admitted, I mean, during the last episode, we had Alfred admitting all of that to Uhtred, you know, the fact that Uhtred helped him, that without Uhtred he wouldn't be a king, he wouldn't be right there. You know, Alfred admitted all of what he did wrong during the last episode. Uhtred in this episode, into that scene, admitted also what he did wrong during all of these seasons and years, to not consider Alfred as his king. He was respecting and loving him, but he didn't say it, they didn't say it to each other, never. But they did. And saying that, you know, saying that Alfred was also his king, that's a way to say that he respected and loved him. That's it, I'm crying again. These two last episodes were really great, really. This season 3 was really great also. But again, I'm repeating what I said after the three first episodes of the season. For me, this season 3 was really great, but was also really different from the season 1 and 2. I felt it like we were still into an historic show but with more dramatic tools, you know, dramatic ways of writing it, of filming it also. That was different. The way of writing, not the story and not the characters, they were not different, but the way of writing it and filming it, you know, the intentions that you can put into some scenes, lines or movements of camera or things like that, the intentions were different and it was better in my opinion because it brought what the show was maybe missing sometimes during the two first seasons, big emotions. I had moments of emotions during the two first seasons, but not big moments of emotions. You never saw me crying like I was during this season, during the first ones. That was great. And I finished the season 3. Can you believe that? I finished it. Now I can watch the season 4. And I will be soon at the same point of view, you know, waiting for the season 5 to come. That's gonna be great. Okay, my bite 3, you know, is like that, like this is the end, this is the end, this is the end. So I have to close this video before, you know, the camera cutting. So it's all for the season 3 of The Last Kingdom, and it's all for you and for me for today. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.